So this is the Untitled stand here at BVE 2013. I've got John with me. This is the first time we've ever visited this stand. So now you do a system called File Catalyst. So John, tell us a little bit about it. Where does it sit in the broadcast market, that sort of thing?
We provide a file transfer solution. It's, as you can see, FTP was born in the 70s. Yeah. It's an old protocol that is not working anymore in today's high-speed internet and high-speed file transfer. Yeah. So what we provide is a file transfer replacement for FTP. Okay. It's fast, reliable, and it's managed, so you can always see what's happening with your file transfer as the file transfer is in progress.
So how do people go about using File Catalyst? If they want to transfer something quickly to somewhere else, how would they go about using it?
They would download our software. Yep. It's just a small piece of software they would download, and they could use it either inside their web browser or as a desktop application. Yep. And then they can browse into a local file system, yep, select some file, and click send. And the file transfer will be going as fast as possible, and administrators will also know what is going on with this transfer. Has it stalled? Is it going? Do I need any human interaction with the transfer? It'll be fully managed process and fully secure as well.
So as far as hosting the service, is that hosted by yourself, or is that a server solution that they would purchase and install themselves in there wherever they wish to have the files located?
We're totally flexible on that. We can provide you an on-premise license, yep, that you run on your own servers. We can provide you a cloud hosting license, or also a hosted license where we do a full management of the servers. You just use the client. So wherever you are on that spectrum, we can help you out with that.
So I mean, I've transferred files for over many years, and as you say, you've used FTP, which is very problematic as to whether or not it's going to get there, and you're never quite sure where it sits, how long it's going to take to get there. This system will overcome a lot of that.
Yes, it will make sure that everything is reliable. Yeah. For example, with FTP, if the file transfer stops, yeah, we will automatically reconnect, right, and resume wherever we stopped. Okay. With FTP, you don't have that capability. So if it stops, you have to either restart from scratch. Yeah. You might be able to restart, but once you restart, you're not sure if you have the full file and if it arrived properly.
So if you're a news gatherer, something like that, and you're out there and you've got a problematic internet connection, you know you can set this going, and whenever it gets a bit of internet connection, it reconnects and it'll carry on sending. Exactly,
that's what it does. It's also very good for sending broadcast files to the broadcasters, for post-production houses, yeah, for closed captioning. Anywhere where there's, large video files need to be sent, and large files have to be arrived, and have to be media files, of course.
Sounds great. If people want to find out some information about File Catalyst, what's the website that they can go to? Well,
the best thing would be to go to filecatalyst.com,
yep,
and all the information is there.
John, thank you very much. Go and have a look at their website. The link is just below me. You'll find out all the information you need about File Catalyst. Don't forget that all the videos that we're doing here at BVE, you will find at our website, which is broadcastshow.com.